Let's prepare a Mexican treat you can prepare for the weekends. Let's make Mexican burritos. Let's start cooking. So let's prepare our Mexican rice, yung red rice natin, to be part of our burritos. It's very simple. So I will just saute my onions, white onions, finely minced, garlic. So I want to saute my tomato sauce para, alam mo, mawala yung raw tomato flavor. Season with salt, little bit of pepper, and to give it a very nice color, I will add my Annatto oil or chicken oil. Pwede. Para lang tayong gumagawa ng fried rice. You can add a little bit of oregano if you want. Very easy. Be sure that to mix everything evenly para maganda yung kulay. No? Walang mga white parcels of rice. Tatabi natin yung ating rice. That's our rice. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Ang second element na lulutuin natin, yung ground meat niya or tinatawag na chile. Sometimes, meron siyang beans, di ba? Pero ito, wala siyang beans. It's just ground beef. And napansin mo, diniretso ko yung aking beef to my very hot skillet. So I want to sear my beef. And look at that, no? Medyo nag-sear at naluto na yung ating beef. And now it's a time to add our aromatics. So meron tayong garlic. Ito, medyo maraming onions. Red and white onions. This will provide the sweetness to our meat mixture. So hindi na tayo maglalagay ng sugar. And ito, for your convenience, may nabibili sa groceries na taco mix. So taco mix, no? Mix of spices na yan siya. Just add that there. If your beef is lean, kagaya nito, medyo lean siya, hindi siya masyadong nagmamantika, you have to add a little oil. No? Just a little. Very nice aroma. We will add tomato paste. You can make it spicy, no, if you want. And I will also add a little bit of tomato sauce. And I'm using beef stock, no? You can use it from the bouillon or powder or whatever you have. So that one will add all the flavor, no? We just cook it together. Very nice. Chili flakes para maanghang, di ba? And it's almost done. Ang bango niya. You can also add cayenne pepper if you want. And to finish, ito, to brighten up the flavor, just a little bit of lemon juice. And ito, kung meron lang kayo, pag wala, deadma ang cilantro. And, woo! Ang hang! So, ready to assemble na tayo. Pero ito, gagawa tayo ng ating sour cream. Bili nila kayo ng sour cream kung ayaw nyo. Pero the easiest way to do it, all-purpose cream and lemon juice. At what I will do, tingnan mo, kumapal na siya agad. And we're done! Bumili na kayo, guys! Huwag na kayong gumawa. Ito, maliit to kasi nagda-diet ako. Pero may nabibili na mas malaki. Warm enough. Are you ready? First things first, rice. Rice to the occasion. Yan. Ito siya, mini burrito lang to. Nagda-diet lang tayo. Pag ikaw yung gumawa, walang limit, di ba? Corn. Kasi ang corny ng mga jokes ko. Usually naman yung sour cream, you can put it inside or serve it on the side. Ito, lagyan natin ng cheese, queso, relish, so tomato, onions, cilantro, seasoned with salt, pepper. Lalagyan rin natin ng sour cream natin. Kasi of course, sinabi natin gumawa ng sour cream. Lalagyan natin ng sour cream. I'm happy. Are you happy? Of course. And let's wrap. No? Wrap. Fold, no? Ayan. Parang shawarma din, no? Ayan. Fold, 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 fold. Yan. Let's prove na masarap tong ginawa natin. Let's taste kung masarap ba. Sobrang nakakabusog ang ating Mexican-style burritos. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!